Well, today we're going to be cutting the wheel wells out of this and making these wheels fit because there was a little touchage. So we're going to make some more room for them. I'm going to cut these wheel wells out right here and move them in 2 inches on each side. I've never done it on an old truck, but how hard could it be? I do it on race cars all the time. So I'm going to get my measuring device and we're going to take some measurements. Then we're going to cut and then we're going to remove some metal. This could be interesting. I'm going to cut this in 1.5 inches. I might be able to bend that metal, but I highly doubt it because it's pretty thick. They don't make trucks like they used to. This metal's thick. Nice and thick. I'm gonna make this a cut line. We're gonna cut it right there. I'm using my laser level to measure and mark the lines on the wheel wells so that the lines are straight. We got our straight line down the center of the, well, I don't know if it's center or not, but I just chose 6 inches off of the weld from the factory. So that side may be different because there was a spot for a spare tire when this thing was made. So let's get this wheel off now. I don't even want to touch these things. They told me if you touch them and there's stuff on them, they'll scratch. I don't like that. How you wash them? I don't know. Magic dust? Psh, some fairy dust? It's funny when you buy a set of wheels that are over $4 grand for the wheels, and they say, I'm gonna hook you up with lug nuts, and they give you these pieces of caca. I mean, they hold the wheel on, but they don't look like the wheel. These are some big old meats. Well, there's no turning back now. I just got my Amazon special cutoff wheel on there. Hope it don't blow up. Have to go over and get the body saw to do the rest of it. I don't know if you guys can see this. Did I get sparks on you? Did you get burned? They don't make metal like they used to. Now there should be some spot welds. I see those spot welds. Let's go attack them. I forgot the freaking grinder in the back of the truck. Let's see if we can exactly see where these are. I think there's one there. Yeah, it looks like just 3 there. Maybe 4. Let's see how many there are on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go get the proper tool to take these out. All right, I'm kind of embarrassed, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna use this drill bit that's kind of at a different degree than a normal bit. You guys probably wanna see, don't you? Okay, don't laugh. I was trying to find it in there. Yeah, it's a wreck. I have one, but I can't find it. So we're gonna make do with what we got. We're getting this tub out of here. The trick is not to go through the other part. Whoa! I hate spot welds. Where'd I put the hammer? I got that pesky little sucker. We just gotta cut this thing out. Hopefully it don't fall on my head. Whoa! Oh, one more right there. Whoa. Okay, now the other side. Then it's gonna fall on my head. All right. Whoa! We got a cattywampus blade now. One more side. Let's see if we can't do this without hurting ourselves. Uh-oh, she's stuck. Let's see if we can get this. What's holding it on? Oh, just a little baby piece. Whoa! We got clearance. We officially have no wheel well. Well, half a wheel well. Not too bad. Now we just got to do the other side. But I'm not going to bore you guys with showing you the exact same thing unless something crazy happens. At any moment, it's gonna fall out. Whoa! Is there another spot weld there? Looks like it. I think she's ready to fall out. Whoops! All right, let's see if we can't get this bad boy fired up. Ooh. She's a running. All right, you guys are gonna see this for the first time, just like me. Look at it go, look at it go. Not bad. That looks good. I like it. This is the first time I've had this truck outside with these wheels on it. Man, it looks sweet. Now it's time to go get the other project car. Yes, it's an LS swapped Z3. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, and if you like this, subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more of this truck and the Z3. Stay classy, folks.